You've never used sunscreen before. Wow. Okay. I make a lot of recommendations around sunscreen because we need it. It's not an option. So let me give you a few that are available here on TikTok Shop that you can shop today and get home really quickly. Now, keep in mind, sunscreens have different finishes, different SPF, so different levels of sun protection. I'm a retinol girl. Most of the folks, the team members here on this page are working towards a retinol, or they are exfoliators because we are all about our exfoliation. So if you're going to exfoliate, you should be looking at an SPF 40 or higher. These recommendations will be SPF 40 or higher. I do have one sunscreen recommendation I make that I will not be able to show you here, but it's called Differin. It's an oil absorbing moisturizer that has SPF 30. The only thing about it is it'll make your eyes sting if you rub it over the eye area. So you can use it everywhere else, but you'll use one of the other versions that I'm going to show you in the eye area if you go that route. These others are Korean sunscreens that are dope. Very good. Okay, so here we go. So these are in no particular order, but kind of also in order of how I've been reaching for them the last few weeks. Okay, first up is Numbuzzin. Okay, this is their Clear Filter Sun Essence. It's an SPF 50, non-comedogenic. It's pretty new. I like it very much. Absorbs super fast into the skin. I mean, like, probably the fastest of all the versions. Will not leave a white cast. I would apply this once or twice a day if you are in the sun. Also doesn't contain octinoxate or oxybenzone, so it won't burn your eyes. You can use this one all over the face. Next, okay, these are all by Beauty of Joseon. These next 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I love the Relief Sun Aqua Fresh. Very good. It's almost like a hydrating sunscreen. The skin looks like it's plump. It's giving. It has B5 in it. So this is the Aquafresh Rice and Sun, another SPF 50++. Beautiful, absorbs into the skin pretty quickly, probably as fast as Numbuzzin, so almost immediate. Really nice finish, won't affect your makeup. This is the, what is this one? This is the OG from Beauty of Joseon. This is the Relief Sun Rice and Probiotics. This is really nice. It's a simple sunscreen that anyone can use rather. So it has a more matte finish. It won't mattify the skin, but it has a more matte finish. Takes a little bit to rub it in, but it won't leave a white cast. This one, the Aquafresh and the Numbuzzin, okay, those three, they are about the same finish on the skin. So it looks pretty much like this. Now, okay, there's a new one, a brand new SPF 40 that is available through Beauty of Joseon. This is the Daily Relief Sunscreen. This one, see, it's a little different than the others. So on all their other bottles, their tubes rather, the logo is sideways like this. This logo is upright. This one is nice. It's a nice sunscreen. It's very much like the OG, but it rubs in a little bit faster. SPF 40. Okay, so the last two are the Ginseng Moist Sun Serum by Beauty of Joseon. It is a serum version. I'm going to show you on my left hand. I've already applied it. It's a very light, fast absorbing, glowy, dewy finish. Okay, so I'm going to put a little extra squirt just so you could like see what a little dab will do. I've only put 2 little squirts. This is like a third of a squirt, right? Just so you can see the finish. This is the Ginseng Moist Sun Serum, okay? I recommend to everyone to have 1 or 2 versions with 2 different finishes just so you can always have the look you feel while you're protecting your skin. This is the new one, the SPF 40, the Daily Relief Sunscreen. I've been using this one. It's a little thicker. It's not as light as the Aquafresh, not as light as the Ginseng Sun Serum, not as light as Numbuzzin. It's not, it just isn't. But this is the finish, which is like a very normal sunscreen kind of finish. This is almost maybe a little bit more light reflective than the other 3, with the exception, this one has a little light reflection too. So if I had to pick 2 to grab, I would go Numbuzzin and the Beauty of Joseon, these two. If I really wanted like a glowy, glassy finish, I get these 3. Okay? These are my like top 3 right now. Hope that helps.